COVID-19 has created a worldwide tension and a critical situation, both economically and socially. The WHO has declared the virus a pandemic on March 11. The virus was first spread in Wuhan, in China, later it spread worldwide. As of June 10, the worldwide death toll reached 411,000 with more than 7.2 million cases. In India, there are nearly 3 lakh confirmed cases of COVID-19 with death toll of 7,756. Common signs of this infection are fever, coughing and breathing difficulties. In severe cases, we can see this virus causes pneumonia, multi-organ failure and even death.
2020 corona pandemic in India has been largely disruptive. India's growth in the fiscal year 2020 went down to 3.1% as it was recorded by the Ministry of Statistics. The Nifty and the Sensex also told about their biggest gains in the following 11 years. Also, there was the increase of unemployment in India as 6.7% in 15 March to about 26% in 19th April. More than 45% of the households also told about their income loss during the lockdown period. India was about to lose rupees 32,000 crore per day during the first 21 days of the lockdown. Many farmers and the daily wage groups also faced this type of uncertainty also. So, let us take a pledge to make India an economically stable country. Thank you.
The coronavirus pandemic continuing its spread in India, there had been an intense lockdown for more than 2 months. But now, India is reopening gradually. This unlock process comes at a time when the novel coronavirus is raging most fiercely in the country in terms of the number of cases and casualties. The government has declared to open all small and heavy industries as well as offices with full strength. In addition to it, markets, shopping malls and places of worships are also opening. People are coming out of their houses and getting involved into their daily activities. Workers are going to their workplaces, but the transport and communication systems are still not prepared to support them. As a result, it is becoming difficult to follow the social distancing measures.
Lockdown is over. Unlock process is going on. But Corona has not left us. Will we remain inside our home only? No. We have to resume our daily activities, and that too with Corona menace. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible and simple too. Keep distance, wear a mask, never go for roam, wash your clothes, take a bath when you return to home. Say no to gatherings, say no to a party. Namaste in lieu of shaking hands makes greetings hearty. Take regular balanced diet, have an exercise, make all these habits to unlock life phase-wise. Unlock life, keep safety. Fight Corona with regular activity.